Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to my channel, welcome. The best way to save money is to go shopping and shopping around. Obviously, Valentine and Easter is in, and they have so many different things that you can decorate your home with that will cost you a good bit of money if you went to, I would say, like Home Goods or something of the sort. But how cute is this right here? It is very nice, it's very elegant, it's very pretty. And if you're going for more color or whatnot, look at this. All this you can actually go ahead and decorate your home with. So here is a close-up of some of these great items. They're very, very cute, very well put together. I really like that. You can do multiple things with some of these items. So if you're not even wanting to use it for Easter, I'm going to give you guys a couple ideas that you can actually use them for besides that. So like here, they have these beautiful signs that says Happy Easter. This is very cute. This will be great for a baby shower. Just take off the Happy Easter. And as well, this one is right here. It says welcome. You can now say welcome. You have arrived, welcome aboard, and this will be cute for a little boy as well for a baby shower. So you can utilize a lot of things at the Dollar Tree to decorate your home or do a nice little party event, and you are good to go for a great price for $1.25 and up. Then right here they have here is these misters. I did not see this color the last time I went shopping, so that is new. And these are just kind of like to mist your plants with. Now I am showcasing some of the planters that they do have available, and I did show you guys these in previous videos, and they are still well stocked in stores. So if you still want a great deal on a planter, head over to your local Dollar Tree and see what you can find there. They have great options that you can utilize to save you guys some money. And this right here is new. These are little mushrooms. They're super, super cute. And hey, why not try them out if you like your mushrooms? And then on top of that, they did have a couple different color options. Now they did change out a couple of the colors, because the light color green and this light color blue, I don't recall that color last season. All right. And as well, check out this sign. It says garden is my happy place. The garden is my happy place. I did purchase this, you guys. I did put this inside my greenhouse. I thought it was super duper cute, and I did pick that up. And this is what I was telling you guys about the ropes, to put them in like in a corner as a little decorated element inside your home. And that's what someplace I would recommend, not outdoors. Now these domes are great for your upcoming spring garden because it will get like a cold snap, and this is a good way to cover your plants. Here's some solar lights. This is new as well. I thought they were really pretty. It's not something that I will pop into my garden, but it's very, very pretty. And as well, I did show you guys these new upgraded solar lights. And plus, they do have welcome signs. Now, I wish they had like a variety of like vegetables. It would be so, so cute. Like maybe a turnip or something like that. Look, rabbits like turnips too. Or like a combination of vegetables. So I could have used this, you guys, because that would have been really, really cute. So pop out in your garden. And as well, a welcome sign for your front porch. Then they have these right here. I thought these were very, very nice. So they do have a lot more signs out, and I do really like this succulent one. I mean, look at that. It is so pretty. Not bad for $5. And as well, this one right here. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. Loving that one. Okay, you guys, they even have some flowers in here with like butterflies, but my two favorite is this one here, welcome to my garden, and as well this beautiful succulent one. Very, very cute. I have a couple of more different items right here that I'm seeing to my sunflower girls. This one, that one's really cute. Really liking this one right here. This is of just some daisies. I thought that was really cute as well. If you are like me, I like to go shopping to find different type of planters that I can use, rather it's a vase or even just sometimes a container. Dollar Tree is a great place to find them. When shopping at the Dollar Tree, the great thing about it is they have many containers. So if you're a person that really want to organize your garden, this is a great place to go and get a couple of containers. Like, check this out. This is very cute, very simple, easy. You can carry your tools in here if you want to. Win-win. Now, if you're a person that doesn't really like preserving your food quite just yet or jarring, sometimes going to the Dollar Tree and finding out some of the things that are great to actually purchase off the shelf that is basically just water bathed. And when it comes down to like this garlic right here, if you read the ingredients, it only says on the back of here, it says minced garlic citrus acid. That's it. That's just to preserve this, just to preserve that garlic. The next one is jalapenos. If you read on the back, it kind of gives you a little bit of information on what they do have. So if you're not into jarring, you kind of want to be reasonable. It's always great to shop around and see what you can find. I've actually found coconut flour at the Dollar Tree. Here, for instance, right here is organic coconut flour at the Dollar Tree. See what I mean? You can find great things at the Dollar Tree. So if you are out there shopping and you just want to make sure that you're trying to provide some things for your homestead and you're trying to go as clean as possible, but you don't have the budget, sometimes heading to your local Dollar Tree, you might find some great deals on a couple different things that you might not expect to actually be there. So not just gardening supplies, you can actually find great things at the Dollar Tree. Another one of my items that I like to go and shop for is containers and jars. This is one of my favorite right here, is this right here. This jar right here has a seal on it, and it is perfect for my dehydrated foods and my seasoning. So I always pick up some of these and they just work perfectly. So another thing that I like to pick up is these jars here. So if you guys have watched my pantry is done with these beautiful stainless steel containers here that I use for all my dry goods, and when I'm dehydrating food or just when I have my extra supplies. You guys, I put them in these beautiful containers right here. Can't beat $1.25. I think you guys should go ahead and pick up some. And as well, if you're looking for a healthy snack, this right here is the crispy coconut rolls. You guys, they are so good. So good. So if you find them, buy them. And if you're looking for affordable seeds, head over to your local Dollar Tree where you can find a bunch of different varieties for a reasonable price for $1.25. So I hope my video helps you guys out when it comes down to shopping at your local Dollar Tree. You can find some amazing deals and some amazing products. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Happy shopping.